What if all the ice on Earth melted overnight? Snowflake right arrow water wave. Imagine waking up to a world where every glacier, every polar cap, and every frozen mountain has suddenly turned into water. In just one night, Earth would change forever. The first shock would come from the oceans. With all that melted ice, global sea levels would rise by more than 70 meters. That's enough to swallow entire coastlines, drowning cities like New York, London, Shanghai, and Mumbai. More than a third of humanity lives near coastal areas. Millions, maybe billions, would lose their homes in a single night. Iconic landmarks would vanish. The Statue of Liberty, gone beneath the waves. The pyramids of Egypt, standing on the edge of a rising ocean. Venice, the floating city, would be erased completely. This wouldn't just be flooding, it would be the redrawing of Earth's map. But the nightmare wouldn't end there. With no ice at the poles to reflect sunlight, Earth's climate would spiral out of balance. Darker oceans would absorb more heat, pushing global temperatures higher and faster than ever before. Deserts would expand, storms would grow stronger, and ecosystems would collapse under the strain of a new, unstable climate. Freshwater supplies would vanish too. Glaciers are like natural reservoirs, slowly feeding rivers that billions rely on for drinking water and farming. Without them, vast regions in Asia, South America, and Africa would face devastating droughts. Crops would fail, food shortages would spark chaos, and nations might fight for survival. Even Earth's wildlife would be torn apart. Polar bears, penguins, seals, species that depend on ice, would face extinction. Coral reefs, already fragile, would die as warmer oceans suffocated them. The balance of life that evolved for millions of years would collapse almost overnight. So, could humanity survive? Maybe. But survival would mean rebuilding our entire world, moving cities inland, adapting to new climates, and finding new sources of food and WATE.